Still sounds good to me, like we were 17.
It's weird, right? The humans' obsession with our poop? I mean, just look at the lengths they've gone to harvest the stuff.
Have you ever noticed how excited they get when a dog goes number 2?
What a good boy! That's my baby!
All we know for certain is that our feces must be very valuable.
Why else would they have invented this crazy high-tech poop harvesting machine?
Look at this thing. You on fancy odor-absorbing crystals, and then once you're gone, its special robot brain can sense it. That's when their cyborg dung butler breaks their deposit into its harvesting box. I don't even remember what my poo smells like anymore. It's like a part of me doesn't exist.
Every few weeks, a fresh tray of crystals automatically shows up to keep the whole system running. They've built an entire infrastructure to whisk our poo off to an undisclosed location in an armored tank.
But have you ever stopped to ask yourself why?
Open your eyes, people. They're using us for our poo.
Are they using it to weave their strange, floppy outer skins?
Are they fueling their moving couches with feces?
Do our deuces keep their faces hairless?
They're always staring at their hand rectangles. Could it be that humans are harvesting our turds to trade with other humans on their secret black turd market? Buying and selling pallets of our poop all day long?
If our bio-waste is this valuable, it must be worth billions. Or even millions.
It makes you wonder, what are they collecting our hairballs for?
ScoopFree self-cleaning litter box. A high-tech robot machine that harvests your cat's poop so you can sell it on the black turd market and make billions or even millions.
If you suspect a human is using you for your poo, please share this video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen, click on the subscribe button for more videos. If you're interested in the product, then click on the link located in the description area for more details. Thanks again for watching. I hope I see you next time.